Hello friends, welcome to NJCF. We are learning social science of 10th standard and we are talking about chapter number 3, that is Cultural Heritage of India, Sculpture and Architecture. In the previous video we talked about temple architecture. Now we will talk about architecture of Gopuram. Gopuram is one of the most important part of South Indian temples. Let's discuss about that. Gopuram means entrance of the temple. You may have seen this kind of entrance of the temple in South India. The construction of temples gained momentum due to the encouragement of Pandya rulers of South India. They built high outer walls and beautifully decorated gates outside the temple. The gates of this temple are known as Gopuram. So you can say that architecture of Gopuram was developed during the period of Pandya rulers. The artistic glory of Gopuram has become more popular than its temples. So in South India, Gopuram is more attractive as compared to temples. Gopuram of Kanchi and Madurai gives us aesthetic pleasure even today when viewed from distance. So here you can see Gopuram of Kanchi. In short, Gopuram is the entrance of the temple. Now before we move ahead, let's talk about linear sketch of temple. This is Garbhagruh, the most inner part of the temple, small and dark rectangular room in which idol is kept. In Gujarat, it is also known as Gabaro. Then Gopuram, here you can see the place of Gopuram. It is the entrance of the temple. Gopuram means a gateway of a southern Indian temple. Two lower stories of temples are convex shaped and the other two stories are aloft to make a pyramidal structure that makes the Gopuram strong. So here you can see that pyramidal structure which makes the Gopuram strong. Then Mandap, it is a big hall constructed on the pillar, or it is a huge area lying in the front of the main gate. Then Pinnacle or Shikhar, the pointed exterior part of Garbhagruh at the top is known as Pinnacle. It is plated either with gold or brass. So in North Indian style of temple architecture, one kalash is also placed on the shikhar. Then Viman. Viman is a part of temple. It is semicircle or in sloping shape. It has many stories and looks like pyramid. So this part, it is known as Viman. After that, one Pradakshina path is also there. People used to do Pradakshina on that path. So these are some main parts of temple. Moving ahead, the Sun Temple of Konark is in Odisha, which is one of the forms of chariot temple. Brihadeshwar Temple of Tanjavur has 13-storied Gopuram. So here you can see the Gopuram of Brihadeshwar temple and it has 13 stories. Metallic and stone idols of this age have special characteristic feature. Bronze statue of Nataraj is the best example of sculpting of that time. Chola temples have their own splendor in age in the field of art and architecture. Then Meenakshi Temple of Madurai, one of the huge temples of India, is spread in vast area. It has main 4 Gopurams from the architectural point of view. It is a wonderful temple. So here you can see the glory of Gopuram, and it can be seen from distance also. In the medieval period, Khajuraho was the capital city of Chandela ruler of Bundelkhand. Chandela rulers built a beautiful temple at Khajuraho. The style of pinnacle varies from others. Khajuraho temples are the finest temples. So, Gopuram is the best example of architecture. So, in this video, we talked about Gopuram architecture. Now, in the next video, we will talk about Jain Derasar